Alright, no need to worry, folks. It's just going to be a couple minutes.
A couple minutes! I've heard this every time I take the northerly my whole life, people. My whole life.
Well, I'm really sorry about this, sir. It's just going to be a few minutes. Apparently there's a...
Oh, really? 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 Just a few minutes?
I'm just so excited to ride the rails.
I mean, it's a wonderful experience,
You
man.
might get taken
Can we
advantage
see the rest
of.
of the message?
So you're riding with your dad?
Yeah.
It's the first time I ever ridden without my mom.
Do you want to be best friends?
Yes. Oh yes.
Come share my train bench.
All right.
Hey, little girl. My son's sharing his train bench. You want to share your train?
The last time I tried to share a bench with someone, things got out of hand.
Yeah.
Hello, Mrs. McGillicuddy. I'm so excited that you're here. And as my second grade teacher, it's really crazy to see you outside of school.
Would you like to learn addition? 1 plus 1 could just be 1.
Guys, there's velociraptors! That's out of hand!
And there really was.
You can make it sound like a velociraptor.
Let's hear it, Tommy.
I'm so happy you're my best friend.
Thanks for calling me on the private line.
I was trying to call the office.
You called the private line.
Alright, what's the number for the office?
There's no number for the office.
There's no number for the office?
We're having a
Are you guys fucking together on this or not? Is the train delayed because you're a fucking incompetent douchebag?
No, we've got this under control. The train's gonna be here.
It's going to be a few minutes, okay? It's just...
You can't even call the office. How do you know where the train is? The office should be stationary. The train is moving.
We were given one number, and apparently that calls that
private line.
phone.
Why would you need a phone number that calls from there to there?
We needed to have a private
If
conversation.
somebody's voice gets
But we could hear you the whole time.
You should have been whispering.
I'm really excited to ride the rails.
Tommy, you had a question. What was it?
I was just going to let you know I'm logging those 2 words in your Cuss Log.
I will also be logging those in the train station's Cuss Log as well.
The train station. What precipitated the train station having a Cuss Log?
Hey, it's Dwight Eisenhower.
Ah, fuck it.
Talk to you. That's an official message. It could have just been a fire.
He said the F, Cuss Log.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tommy. Would you like part of my banana?
Would you like part of my banana?
Excuse me, what is
The last time I took a banana from a stranger.
Banana Man?
Commonly, it's a common spell.
My name's Thomas, and I will be a tortoise, and I will remember Christopher the Crow and Thomas the Tortoise.
You guys already knew each other.
Yes,
It's a meet 'em up game,
We're meeting him up.
and so we
I thought she
ice.
was the one from Britain.
When I get to 25, I send it to Jesus.
Special delivery, Jesus. Right from Earth.
Fuck.
Aren't we having... Fuck you, British woman. Fuck you, momless kid.
He's my best friend. We've
Sorry,
been through a lot together.
We've been through a lot together.